Hey everyone, I'm Danelle and I'm excited to introduce you to our exclusive Pelican Corrosion Intercept Kit. Did you know that even if you keep your case locked, your metal gear can naturally corrode? That's because destructive atmospheric elements are trapped in your case when you close it. For decades we've recommended our Pelican 1500D desiccant gel to absorb humidity inside the case, which is still good to do, but now we're taking this to another level. That's because our exclusive Corrosion Intercept Kit stops rust before it can start. Developed for aerospace and museum industries, the kit is environmentally friendly and recyclable, gives off no harmful oils or vapors, and can be used in safes and other enclosed spaces. The kit includes a sheet of copper-based anti-corrosion film and 2 foam cubes that work together to trap a wide variety of airborne contaminants. There will be enough film to cover any one of our cases, from smallest to largest. To install, remove your existing pick and pluck foam or any other interior padding. Measure the inner bottom of your case. Next, using those measurements, you'll need it to cut off and trim any excess material. We recommend a sharp X-Acto knife. Next, line the bottom of your case with it. Replace the foam. Next, install the secondary filter cubes by removing foam from your existing foam layer on the left and right sides of the case, or insert into an existing cavity. The 2 foam cubes not only act as secondary filter, but they also act as life indicators. In time, you'll see they slowly turn green to let you know when the film needs to be replaced. This is because the material has absorbed all the contaminants it can hold. Film life may vary depending on environmental conditions, but a normal rule of thumb is around 2 years. When installed correctly, the kit will automatically absorb harmful elements and pollutants without the need to do anything else. Note, the Corrosion Intercept Kit doesn't work on dirty firearms, items, or components. For another level of protection, we recommend using our Pelican 1500D desiccant gel, because while the Corrosion Intercept guards against corrosion, the desiccant gel guards against moisture. Our cases are already watertight and dust-proof, and now they're corrosion-proof. The exclusive Pelican Corrosion Intercept Kit. It's the final step in protecting your valuable gear. Pelican has been building tough products since 1976. Guaranteed for life, made in the USA.